So after the first window of the 2023 World Cup qualifiers, the Reggae Girlz are 2 from 2, but still second on goal difference in their preliminary group. And if we don't make up the goal difference in the next game against the Cayman Islands, then the Dub Rep will come into that final game against Jamaica, needing only a draw to turn our dream into a nightmare. That match in April will be a cup final. And look, getting into that final round is a clear and present challenge. In that tournament, the girls will have several bites of the cherry. 2 groups of 4, top 2 qualify for the semis, and all 4 semi-finalists qualify automatically for the World Cup. But also, the 5th and 6th place teams get another chance in some playoff games against qualifiers from another confed. So looking at it right now, it is possible that 6 teams from CONCACAF would qualify for the World Cup in 2023. So you all realize that it actually gets easier once we get into that final round, where a possible 6 out of 8 teams, or 75% of the teams, can qualify for the World Cup. But we have to get there first. We have to get into that final round and take it from there. So we are taking it step by step. Step by step, yeah, man. We have to get there first. Step by step. Yes, step by step. Step by step.